Hello my friends, how are you? Today I want to show you some pictures and then ask your opinion. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm really hungry. Well, my friends, how do you feel? It seems that you are very hungry. So, now I will tell you the solution. Did you know that artificial intelligence can cook for you? There have been many times when we are very hungry but have no idea what to cook. But AI is here to help us make delicious food. For this, it's enough to give this information to the artificial intelligence. That is, what ingredients do you have? What meal do you want to cook? What kitchen tools do you have? And how much time do you have? Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the Chef GPT website. After entering the website, just click on Get Started for free. Now you should enter your email and password, or if you have Google account, you can use it. Now you should choose what ingredients you have. For example, I have a bread, butter, chili, eggs, garlic, lime, olive oil, peppers, and salt. Now, choose what meal do you want to cook. For example, I choose lunch. Then choose what kitchen tools do you have. And finally, how much time do you have? Okay, now let's generate to see the result.
Oh, thank you, great. Since the day I got acquainted with this artificial intelligence tool, I can make very delicious dishes, and I can use the wonderful combination that artificial intelligence offers me. Oh, everything was going great until I felt like I've gained a lot of weight in a few months, and I'm really upset about it. Is there any solution I can use to lose weight? I understand that I should call Dr. AI Signal as soon as possible, so that he can guide me and tell me what to do.
Hello, I am Dr. AI Signal. How can I help you?
Hello, Doctor. It's been almost 5 months. I've been making very delicious dishes with the help of artificial intelligence, and of course this has caused me to gain a lot of weight, and I'm worried about this.
Don't worry. This is normal. Even I had this problem because the AI suggested foods are really delicious. But let me tell you the solution. Now you can eat safely because I want to introduce you another artificial intelligence tool which you can count the calories after food.
The name of this tool is Snap Calorie. Just send a photo of your food to it and it will calculate and tell you the number of calories in your food.
Oh, thank you, Doctor. You saved me. Now I can see the calories of every food before I eat it. And every day I exercise as much as the calories of the food I ate, and my body style is getting great.